Minimalist Backpacking 101, How to Pack Smart and Travel Light. Hey there, and welcome to our video on Minimalist Backpacking. In this video, we'll be sharing some expert tips and tricks on how to pack smart and travel light on the trail. First, let's start with the basics. Why is it important to pack efficiently when backpacking? Well, for one, carrying a heavy load can be physically draining and can make your trip less enjoyable. Additionally, packing lightly allows you to move more efficiently and be more agile on the trail, which can be especially important if you're facing challenging terrain or unpredictable weather. So, how do you go about packing efficiently for a backpacking trip? Here are some key tips to keep in mind. Plan ahead. Before you even start packing, it's important to plan out your trip in advance. Consider factors like the length of your trip, the climate and terrain you'll be in, and any specific activities you'll be doing. This will help you determine what gear and supplies you'll need, and allow you to pack only what you absolutely need. Choose the right backpack. Not all backpacks are created equal, and choosing the right one for your trip can make a big difference in terms of comfort and efficiency. Look for a pack that is the right size for your trip and has comfortable, padded straps and a hip belt to distribute the weight evenly. Pack wisely. When it comes to packing your backpack, it's all about using space efficiently and minimizing weight. Start by placing heavier items towards the bottom of the pack and towards the center of your back, and use compression bags or packing cubes to help keep your gear organized. Consider rolling your clothes instead of folding them, and try to use every nook and cranny of your backpack to maximize space. Invest in lightweight, high-quality gear. While it may be tempting to skimp on gear in order to save weight, it's often worth it to invest in high-quality, lightweight items that will last for multiple trips. Look for items made from lightweight materials like titanium or ultralight fabrics, and consider buying multi-use items such as a tarp that can serve as both a shelter and a ground cover. Be strategic about water. Water is heavy, so it's important to plan out your water stops and carry only what you need for the day. A hydration bladder or water purification tablets can be helpful in this regard. You can also refill your water bottles at natural sources along the trail, as long as the water is safe to drink. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to becoming a more efficient backpacker. With a little bit of planning and some careful packing, you'll be able to enjoy all the beauty and adventure that the great outdoors has to offer without being weighed down by unnecessary gear. Happy trails!